Hi there, grade twos. Welcome to this video, which covers Monday, the 30th of March. All right, so we've got 2 days left for this term, and that is what is on this weekly planner. All right, so if we make this a little bit bigger, just give me a second. Okay, so we're going to be looking at Monday the 30th of March, as I mentioned. So we're going to be working out of the language book. So you should have your books by now. If you don't have your books, you are more than welcome to go and fetch them from the front of office at API. All right, so we're going to be looking at pages 88, 89, which covers dinosaurs, and then the questions that follow on page 90 and 91. All right, so let's get going. Right, so if you open the book on the English language book on page 88, you'll see that we have arrived at unit 10, and it talks about meet the dinosaurs. All right, so what you need to do is to read through this. I will do this very briefly. You're welcome to follow with me, and then when we are done, we will go to the next page and we will answer all of these questions on page 90 and 91. This is your work that you need to complete for Monday, the 30th of March. All right, dinosaurs lived on the earth 230 million years ago. They lived all over the world. Dinosaurs were many different shapes and sizes. There were big dinosaurs and small dinosaurs, tall dinosaurs and short dinosaurs. Come with me and meet them. Some dinosaurs were tiny. This one was 20 centimeters long, very small. Some dinosaurs were enormous, huge in other words, but had got small arms and hands, okay, like this one. Some dinosaurs like to eat meat, as we can see there. This dinosaur was very strange. Look at this one. This one was very scary. Some dinosaurs like to eat plants. Some dinosaurs walked on 4 legs. Some dinosaurs walked on only 2 legs. Some dinosaurs were very fast. Some dinosaurs were quite slow. Or should I say, this dinosaur was quite slow. This dinosaur was small but very clever. This dinosaur was very long and a bit stupid. Okay, and look at this. Some dinosaur eggs were huge. Okay, so there's the dinosaur egg and there is a normal chicken egg. Okay, all right, fantastic. So let's look at page 90 and 91. So what they want us to do is to circle whether the question is true. In other words, yes, it is true, or whether it is false. Okay, there were dinosaurs in many countries. What do you think? I wonder. Let's see. Let's see the answer for the first one. There were dinosaurs in many countries. I think so. I think they were all over the world. Let's see. Let us see. There were dinosaurs in many countries. Yeah, all dinosaurs were huge. False. All right, so there's the first 2 that we've completed. If you could please go and complete the rest of these up to number 8, circle true or false for the question. All right, number 2 says, read, then write the missing words. Dinosaur something on the 200 and, okay, so the first one is definitely lived. Okay, that's quite easy. Dinosaurs lived. Right, dinosaurs lived on the, what is that? On the earth. Very easy, on the earth. Okay, 230 million years ago. All right, so we've already used lived and we've already used earth. All right, so if you can look at the rest of the remaining words and go and complete them in here, these pictures will give you clues as to what word you need to use where. All right, so just follow this, very easy, very straightforward. Right, okay, so now we're going to be working with opposites. So remember, opposite is small and big, tall and short, white and black. All right, day and night. Okay, so they've given us 5 words in the box here. This is at the top of page 91. Fast, enormous, ugly, clever, short. And then they've completed, there's 2 columns. 2 columns, column 1 and column 2, each with 5 rows. 5 rows. There's row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and row 5. This is column 1, and this is column 2. So you need to go and put the opposite, right? So the first one says tiny. So what would be the opposite of tiny? Something very big. In other words, enormous. All right, so we write enormous here. This is the opposite of tiny. All right, then they give us slow. What is the opposite of slow? We have to write fast. Fast in that one, in this second column, second row. All right, that is the opposite of slow. So we've used these 2. Then we are left with ugly, clever, short. You just need to go and see where you put those in. All right, excellent. Okay, number 2 says, choose the dinosaur on the left or the right. Talk about it. Okay, when something happened in the past, we use verbs in the past tense. Okay, all right. Some dinosaurs walked on 4 legs, all right, because dinosaurs are no longer around. They cannot walk. Okay, and a dinosaur cannot be walking because they are all extinct. They have all died out. So we have to use the word walked. All right. Okay, so here they give you past tense verbs that you need to go and put together. So the first one's really easy. Okay, I'm going to show you. So they have look and id. Look and id, number 1 becomes looked. Okay, so then you go and write looked here. All right. The second one, that's quite easy. You just put the 2 parts of the word of the verb together. The same with number 3, the same with number 4, and you write it on the empty space. Very, very easy to do, guys. All right. And then the second part here at the bottom of page 91 says write the words. Okay, so this is obviously got to do with these 4 verbs in the past tense. Okay, so the first one, really easy. The first one will be, if you look at the picture, the first one will be climbed. Yeah, because this guy climbed, or this boy climbed up the tree. Okay, if you can do the same for the second one and the third one, and these words are from these verbs that we completed here. All right. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up your work for Monday, the 30th of March. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message on Telegram. All right, and then I will see you guys on Tuesday with your video for Tuesday's work, as well as give you the time for Tuesday's live session. All right, and then that will wrap up pretty much this term. And then from Wednesday onwards, you will be advised as to how it will work moving forward. All right, thank you so much. Great to use, and